What's up, guys? Welcome back to Everything Weapons. Today we're going to be discussing how UK MOD is investigating reports of Russian warship firing warning shots in the English Channel. The alleged incident involved a yacht and a Russian Navy ship sailing south of the Isle of Wight, and this occurred very recently in June of 2026. I'm going to be reading on the War Zone, so all credit to them, warzone.com. But the UK Ministry of Defense is investigating reports that a Russian Navy warship fired warning shots near a British registered yacht in the English Channel, according to a statement provided to the War Zone today. The reported encounter is the latest in a series of increasingly tense interactions between the British, United Kingdom, and the Soviet Russians. Well, not Soviet anymore, I guess you could say. So this scenario and situation incident reportedly occurred around 20 nautical miles south of the Isle of Wight off the south coast of England and outside British territorial waters. According to the Ministry of Defense of the UK, the initial report came from the crew of the British registered yacht, which alleged that a Russian warship fired warning shots at a distance of about approximately 500 yards. According to the Press Association, the incident occurred around at 11:40 a.m. in the morning local time in waters between the Isle of Wight and Normandy. A Ministry of Defense spokesperson confirmed to thewarzone.com that they are investigating reports of the situation, but stressed that the investigation remains in its early stages. No injuries or damage has been reported by the yacht, which is continuing its journey, the spokesperson added. The Royal Navy was already shadowing the Russian vessel when the alleged incident occurred, the ministry confirmed. HMS Mercy was monitoring the Russian vessel at the time. We cannot provide further comment while investigations are ongoing. A seaboat from the HMS Tyne has visited the yacht to gather details and check that they are safe. Both the HMS Mercy and HMS Tyne are river-class offshore patrol vessels frequently used to shadow Russian and other warships passing through the channel, which is widely considered the busiest shipping area in the entire world. According to unconfirmed reports, though, the Russian warship said to be involved in, the Russian ship that is involved is the Admiral Grigovich, the lead ship of its class, which is also known to NATO as the Krivak V class. The frigate is seen at the top of the story during the encounter with the Royal Navy vessels earlier this year, again in the English Channel, and the Ministry of Defense also sought to distance the incident from another recent maritime security operation in the Channel, in which British forces boarded the Symmatos, a sanctioned Shadow Fleet oil tanker, which was sailing under a false Cameroonian flag. The boarding of this Symmatos by Royal Marine Commandos and specially trained law enforcement British officers from the National Crime Agency last Sunday was the first UK-led operation of its kind. The 6-hour military operation also involved Chinook, Merlin, and Wildcat helicopters, a Royal Air Force P-8 Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft, as well as the frigate MS Sutherland and the mine countermeasures vessel HMS Ledbury. It remains unclear exactly which Russian Navy vessel was involved in the incident of this week of June 14th, 2026, what prompted the alleged warning shots, or whether any communication took place between the warship and the British yacht before this incident. And of course, the situation is ongoing. Just a little bit of funny news within just outside of British territorial waters, English Channel technically. So yeah, Russian and British ships beefing is quite funny, and I wonder if a shot was actually went down, or if it was just a false alarm, or what happened. But thanks guys for watching. Drop a like, type a comment of what you think about this video, subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell, and take a look at my older videos. See you guys in the next one.